There are, however, certain points I want you to know. First, I personally approved the decision to seek a search warrant in this matter. Second, the department does not take such a decision lightly.
That was former Attorney General Merrick Garland in August 2022 on the Biden Justice Department's raids on Trump's Mar-a-Lago. But now, newly declassified FBI and DOJ emails reveal that FBI agents had warned they did not have probable cause to do that raid. But Biden's DOJ officials pushed forward with it anyway amid pressure from Biden's Justice Department officials. Look who's here. We need to talk to Fox News legal analyst Gregg Jarrett about this one. Greg, when you heard the story, what was your reaction?
Well, I wasn't surprised because the raid on Mar-a-Lago was always a shocking abuse of the law, as I said on air the day of the raid. And these new FBI documents finally prove it. Look, probable cause means it's more probable than not that a crime was committed. The problem here is there were no crimes, and the FBI knew it, and they said so to Merrick Garland. Trump had done nothing illegal. You see, the Records Act is the controlling statute, and it gives a former president custody of presidential records. The National Archives, if they want them back, the exclusive remedy is civil, not criminal. The government's recourse is to file a motion to compel before a civil judge. What you cannot do, Liz, is to conjure up imaginary crimes that don't exist and then shop around for an anti-Trump magistrate, a lowly magistrate, to sign off on a baseless search warrant. Garland knew all of this, but he didn't care because he and his Confederates at the DOJ decided to weaponize the law to bring a meritless case against Donald Trump to stop his bid for re-election in 2024, even as the FBI was howling in protest. You can't do it. Yeah. He did it anyway.
So we have former special counsel Jack Smith sitting for a deposition before House Judiciary tomorrow. The emails, an FBI official wrote, quote, very little has been developed related to who might be culpable for mishandling the documents. Another says they had, quote, concerns that the information is single source, not corroborated, but they pushed forward anyway. Another email reveals a Justice Department official under Joe Biden says he didn't give a damn about the optics of the search. What's actionable here? Senate Judiciary Chair Chuck Grassley calls this a, quote, miscarriage of justice.
Yeah, it absolutely is. And look, if people knowingly violated the law, abusing the law to go after Donald Trump, that's a crime. It is a interference with constitutional rights under color of the law. They're misusing their legal authority to go after somebody like Donald Trump for a different reason. So that is actionable as a crime as well as a civil lawsuit for money damages.
Interesting. Gregg Jarrett, thank you so much for helping us out in this story with your expertise.
Sure.
Brilliant as always.